Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, front-wheel drive, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.